Another really great technique for amigurumi that you must know is the invisible decrease. So normally in a pattern, when you decrease, you go into the next stitch, pull up, and then don't finish that stitch, you go into the next one, pull up again, and then finish. And you can see quite clearly that you've got 2 stitches there together and it's created a bit of a gap here. But invisible decrease is worked only in the front loops of the stitch and in one movement. So what that means is you're going to take your hook, go through the front loop only of the first stitch to decrease. Don't yarn round, but instead bring your hook back down like so and go through the front loop only of the next stitch. So it feels a bit tighter, but you're going through 2 stitches at once. Yarn round, pull through those 2 stitches like so. Yarn round and pull. And can you see it's really difficult now to see where I've done that decrease, and the gap is a lot smaller. So I'm just going to do 2 stitches to get me to my next decrease, and we'll do the same again. So we're going to decrease these 2 stitches, so we're going to go through the front loop only, front loop of 1, bring the hook back down and go through the front loop of the next one, yarn round, pull through both stitches, yarn round, and finish that decrease. So once more. You can do this invisible decrease in any toy pattern that tells you to DC 2 together. I always just do an invisible decrease as standard. I think it makes this toy look so much smoother and so much more professionally finished. So crochet hook through the front loop of the first stitch to decrease, bring it back, front loop of the second, yarn round, pull through 2, yarn round, and finish. And there you've got it, your invisible decreases.